Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Leos. We'll be picking one card each, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and love energy, Leos. This is for your daily reading, guys. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, and one card from the oracle guidance. So that is a general guidance. This is the card, Leos. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So for your general reading first, Leos, it is King of Earth. So with this card in your situation today, guys, it may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation. You have that ability to attract abundance and prosperity in your life. You are a very skilled and talented person. Whatever path you choose for yourself, it reaches success, and you have many opportunities coming your way in whatever path you choose for yourself, guys. And with this card, I see here that luck is simply aligning in your life, guys. So you feel lucky because whatever choices that you make, you see that is reaching that desired completion, and it gives you happiness and contentment, and you have that focus on your goals and dreams, whatever plans you have for yourself, and you have that humility that you need to be grounded, and it is taking you to the heights of success today, Leos. That is what I see with this card. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Nine of Earth. So with this card here, I see that you are happy. You know what you need to do, what is your plan, and how things should go about, and you know your resources, and you are disciplined and diligent. You know the role you have to play and your responsibilities in your work. That may be the reason that you're experiencing this happiness and joy today, guys. And what maybe for some of you, the missing thing, you may get that missing link today. So whatever is that key to success, you are able to reach that or find out about that today. That is what I see with this card, guys, for your career situation, Leos. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Three of Fire. So this may be what you feel about this person, or what they may feel about you, and they feel that they have made the right choice. They have made the right choice today, being there with you today, and they have that happiness and joy, and in your relationship today, all your heart's desire is being fulfilled, and you have that harmony and balance in this situation today with this person, in this connection. So they have made the right choice in choosing you, so they are happy for it. They are able to find that harmony in this connection, or this may be your energy too. So you both share that mutual love, caring, and understanding, respect in this connection, Leos. What is the oracle guidance card for you? Let us see. Poised. So with this card, again, this card stands for balance. So in your daily life situation, in your career or personal life, you have that harmonious way of dealing things. Whatever your situation is, you have that peace of mind, harmony and balance, happiness today, and you are feeling perfect today because you have made the right choice in your career, right choice in your relationship, and you feel that confidence. That is what this oracle card is about, guys. And whenever we get this card for in a reading, it just means that it is a very auspicious time for a new beginning, maybe a creative beginning, or it may be a personal life beginning, so a new relationship. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading, Leos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.